Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I am doing an empties video for the month of October. Here's everything we're working with, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to share with you is a candle. I don't know if I'm going to continue to feature candles in an ongoing basis anymore, unless it's something I really like, and this one I really liked. This is from a local company. I think it's like a little girl and her mom, and I got this at a craft local artisan fair before all this started. I think literally the week before COVID kind of shut everything down in March. So this is Sweet K's Candle Co. and this is the mango papaya scent. I'll see if I can find their website or Etsy shop. And this smells amazing. It smells like the most amazing tropical drink you would ever want on an island, a beach. It is so good. It just smells really good, and I love that it's like a little girl and her mom, and it's just a cute company. So I will link to that down below because I really enjoyed that candle, and it makes the whole house smell really good. It spreads really nicely. Next, some dental things. Get these out of the way since they aren't super interesting. I finished a Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste in Natural Peppermint. This is my new favorite toothpaste. I'm probably going to keep repurchasing this one from now on in the multi-packs you can find on Amazon, because this is just good stuff and I really like it, and it does a really good job for me. I think it's great. And then also, I finished 2 flosses. These are Quantum. These are ones I got free in little dental kits from the dentist. Every time that you go and get a cleaning, they give you these, so they're free. I probably wouldn't repurchase that brand if I were to purchase new floss, which I need to do soon. I think I'm on my last little free one from the dentist. I usually use like those little pick things, but I'm out of them and I'm just kind of in a use up all the stuff mode. So I've been going through all the floss before I repurchase something, whether that be floss or the picks or the floss pick things or whatever. I'm just going to use what we have, and then I'll look into repurchasing something. And let's see, the rest is, oh, here, this one's a little bit different. I finished from the Good Patch the B12 Awake patches. The effects of these, if there are any true effects, are so minimal that it's almost not even worth wearing it and peeling the sticky stuff off of your wrist once you pull it off, so I can't recommend that. The only one I ever felt was kind of helpful was the sleep one, but even then it's like also not super apparent. I don't know if that's the word I'm looking for. So yeah, finished that. Probably not gonna repurchase that. Let's see, I think a lot of the stuff is similar. Let's do hair. I have from Verb the Mild and Color Safe Cleanse Hydrating Shampoo and the Enrich and Restore Soften Hydrating Conditioner. These were a sample pack that I got, I think, from Petit Four, although maybe it was from this Four purchase. I genuinely don't remember where this came from, but that being said, I really liked both of these, the shampoo and the conditioner. Once I finish up my Functional Beauty stuff, I'd consider giving these a full-size try, because these were really nice, and I usually hate anything that comes in a sample pack like this. Usually not a big fan, but I did enjoy both of these and would consider these in the future. See, we have a body product from Angelo Naturals. This is the Kukui Cacao Body Butter. Loved this. Loved this. I would definitely consider repurchasing this if ever in need for a new lotion. I've got like a gajillion lotions I need to go through right now, just from like being a shopaholic and also getting several in my boxes the past few months. So I really liked this one, and they do sell Angelo Naturals Do they sell this at Target? I don't know, but they do sell it at a couple of the local organic small brand grocers that we go to once in a while, so it's easy for me to find. I mean, it's online everywhere too. So I like this. I recommend it if you're looking for a thick, moisturizing body butter, but one that is not going to have you feeling sticky like you need to walk around like a zombie not touching anything until it dries down. It dries down fairly quickly. It's just a really good one and I like it. I think I got this sample in a Petite 4 box. I think so. This is a nice one. I highly recommend. See, I also finished from Pacifica the After Sun Cool and Glow Facial Sheet Mask with aloe and vitamin C, calendula and vanilla. And so I'm getting a phone call. Hold on. Yeah, I just kind of gave them the bitch button. That is on my work computer. The phone calls come through the computer and the phone. And the same solicitor just keeps calling and calling and calling. So just sent him the voicemail. Anyway, the Pacifica Aftercare face mask. I wore this one day after I'd been outside for a little while. I don't actually go out with the intent to tan, but I was outdoors a little longer than I usually am, so I wore this just because, like, realistically, when am I gonna wear this again, like next summer? And I don't love it. The scent is just way stronger in this than any of the other Pacifica face masks that I have experience with, which is mostly all of them. I think I've tried almost all of them, and this is just strong and not a scent I cared for. Maybe it would have been nicer if it wasn't as strong, but I just wouldn't have purchased this one. I do have one that's meant for like the neck, chest area that I have not used, so I'm sure I'll be encountering that scent again whenever I do eventually use that one. But yeah, didn't like this. Wouldn't recommend that particular one. Another Pacifica product. This is the Pacifica Rose Water Makeup Removing Wipes. And I don't buy these often, so when I do, they tend to last me a really long time because I don't use them very often either. So this is a nice one. It gets the makeup off. It's not great with mascara, my personal opinion, but it does fairly well to remove all your other makeup, foundation, concealer, blush, bronzer, eyebrows even if there's like a little wax in there. I feel like it takes it off nicely. But I finished these, and I think I have more makeup wipes that I got in a subscription box, so I won't be repurchasing these anytime soon, since it does take me a long time to get through what makeup wipes, since I'm usually just using face wash or a specific oil cleanser. But if I needed more and I happen to be running to Target, I'd certainly buy these ones again. I like the plastic sealing top because it keeps everything fresh. And the last item I have to share, this is a fairly quick video, didn't use too much this month, is from 100% Pure. It's their Bright Eyes Eye Mask to depuff and brighten. I actually ended up using this morning, and I was looking real tired for some reason. Franny kind of woke me up in the middle of the night, and you could tell. So these were like a candy apple green color, and they just were those typical masks you put right under your eye, and I thought they were really nice, cooling, hydrating, and they felt really good, and I didn't look like a zombie afterwards. So this is a nice one if you are ever in a store that has 100% Pure, or you're perusing the internet for a good eye mask. I thought this one was really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing what my empties were for this month. And if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. I'd love to know if there was a particular item of significance that you finished up this month and how you felt about it, whether you really loved it or really hated it. Tell me about your extremes. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button underneath this video. And otherwise, I will talk to y'all later. Bye!